Are you ready to build a career that blends education, technology, and creativity? Instructional design might be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're passionate about corporate training, e-learning, or curriculum development, there's a place for you in this growing field. Let's explore the top career pathways, essential skills, and how to get started. Instructional design is all about creating effective learning experiences. It's the science of how people learn and the art of designing engaging, impactful training programs, whether for businesses, schools, or online courses. One of the best things about instructional design, there are multiple career paths to choose from. Let's take a look at some of the most exciting options. Corporate training. Love working with businesses. Corporate instructional designers create training programs that help employees develop skills, stay compliant, and grow in their careers. Imagine designing an engaging onboarding program for a tech startup, making sure new hires feel confident and prepared. eLearning development. If you love technology and design, eLearning development could be your path. You'll create interactive courses using tools like Articulate Storyline or Adobe Captivate. Building an online leadership training program with simulations, quizzes, and multimedia content. Academia. In the academic world, instructional designers help universities and schools develop online courses and improve curriculum design. Designing an online certification program for instructional design students. Consulting. Want more flexibility? Consultants work with different clients, helping them improve training programs and learning strategies. Helping a nonprofit improve volunteer training with engaging digital content. Government and nonprofits. This role focuses on creating training programs for government initiatives, healthcare, or community education. Developing an interactive health awareness course for a public health campaign. No matter which path you choose, you'll need some key skills to succeed in instructional design. Let's break them down. Learning theories and instructional strategies. Understanding models like ADDIE, SAM, and UDL is crucial. Technical proficiency. Familiarity with eLearning tools like Articulate Storyline and LMS platforms is a must. Project management. You'll juggle multiple projects, deadlines, and stakeholders, so organization is key. Communication and collaboration. Working with SMEs, educators, and corporate teams means strong communication is essential. Data-driven decision-making. Analyzing learner feedback helps refine and improve training programs. So, how do you break into the field? Here's your roadmap to success. Get educated. Degrees in instructional design, educational technology, or learning and development can help. You can also take online certification programs. Build a portfolio. Showcase your work. Include sample e-learning courses, storyboards, and instructional strategies. Network and stay updated. Join LinkedIn groups, attend industry webinars, and connect with other instructional designers. Gain hands-on experience. Volunteer for projects, intern, or take on freelance work to get real-world practice. Apply for jobs. Start looking for entry-level roles in instructional design, corporate training, or e-learning development. Instructional design is a career that blends creativity, strategy, and technology to shape how people learn. Whether you're designing online courses, corporate training, or public education programs, your work makes a difference. What excites you most about instructional design? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.